students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on students, let us move to the chapter. Students, this is Akshata Kale from Virtual Training Center Dadar. Yes students, today we are going to learn maths. Okay, that is the first lesson, Roman numerals. Now you are at home, you have to learn this properly. Yes students. Now first we will see this year's book, textbook. See the front page of the mathematics textbook of standard 5. So beautiful cover. There we can see so many students doing different types of activities. Right? They are very happy. We can see the happiness on their face, like you people. Right? And the contents of this year's, it is divided in two parts. Part 1 has 7 topics and part 2 that has 9 topics. Altogether there are 16 topics. Okay, and the back page, this is also wonderful. It has also the pictures of children doing different type of activities. We can see here creativity and constructivism. Yes, nice portion you have this year. You will enjoy maths this year. Okay, now we will move to the that is Roman numerals. Before that, please see the pictures. Yes students, here we can see 2 wall clocks. Each has numbers 1 to 12. And I know that you can read the time very well. Correct? Now, in the first watch, the numbers are in English numerals. And in the second wall clock, the numbers used are nothing but Roman numerals. Yes, dear students, today we are going to learn about these numerals. Please observe this carefully. You can compare both the wall clocks. Okay? Now, are you ready to study about the Roman numerals? Okay? Roman numerals. Yes, why the name Roman numerals came? See this, in Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they are called Roman numerals. Yes, here to write the numbers in Roman numerals is very easy. Okay, first we will study about 1 to 20 numbers. Yes students, here some symbols they use to write the numbers. See, symbols. 1, they use capital I. For 1, they use capital I. For 5, to write 5 number, they use capital V. And to write number 10, they use X, that is capital X. Remember this, 1 means I, 5 means V, 10 means X. Here we have to use I, V, X like that to write the numbers in Roman. Okay? Now, yes students, see this picture. Yes, this picture is nothing but a game, that is cricket. It shows cricket. You all are familiar with this and you love this, correct? Here you know that there are some fixed rules and that we have to follow during the play. It is cricket, but any game you take, maybe it is an indoor, outdoor, any game, but there are some fixed rules to follow. Correct? Like that only. Also have some rules. We have to follow that rules while writing Roman numerals. Only there are 4 rules are there. They are also very easy. Only observe carefully. First rule. What is that? If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively, means again and again. Consecutively means again and again. 2 or 3 times, the sum total is the number they make. Yes, we will go through some of the examples. Then it will become very clear for you. See students, I or X it is written, correct? Now I will write I 1 time, means you know that is 1, correct? Now second time I have written, means here I have written I. What is the meaning of this one? I means 1 plus 1 more I is there, so 1 more 1. So here both together, you know that 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Very simple, correct? This is the first rule. One more example we will take. I. 3 times I have written the same thing. Now I know that you got the answer. Correct? Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 means the value of 3I together when we write, the value is equal to 3. We used to write the standards also, correct? First standard, second standard, third standard, we use like this numerals. Now one more we will take. This is 10, you know that, correct? 2 times I will write this. Then what is the value of this? XX. Yes, very good. That is nothing but 10 plus 10. Very nice. That is nothing but 20. Correct? Now that was the first rule. Now we will move to the second rule. Now second rule is also very easy. See here. Here whatever we followed in the first rule, that is writing the same symbol consecutively, means that we can write maximum 3 times. Not more than that. Okay, here same I. This is maximum. we can write this maximum 3 times. One time we can write, 2 times we can use that, 3 times. 3 is nothing but the maximum number of time. Okay. Now here this 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Very good. Now the next example we will write x, that is nothing but 10. That we will write 3 times, that is the maximum number of times. Now here what is the value? Yes, very good. That is nothing but 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Very nice. You became master in writing the Roman numerals. Now one more thing is there. I will write, see here, V 1 time, here V 2 times, here V 3 times. Yes, dear students, this I have written in 3 different types. But what the second rule says that the numeral V is never repeated consecutively. Means we can't write V twice or thrice. We can write V only one time. What is the meaning of V? V symbol we use for to write 5. That you know, correct? Remember this thing. We can use I, that is 1, maximum 3 times we can use, and X also we can use 3 times. But remember that we can't use V more than one time. Okay, this is about the second rule. Third rule. Your third rule is when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Again, we will go through the examples. V means 5. Here I have written this to the right of the bigger number. Means V means 5 and plus 1, because to the right means we are always going to add. So it is 6. Am I right? Now one more example, X, bigger number. I will write I to right side. Then it became, yes, correct, 10 plus 1. Very nice, 11. Here, C, X, V. Again, V I have written to the right of the X. That is nothing but we are going to add 10 plus 5 is 15. And last one, C. 3 symbols are used here. And to the right we have written. So it is 10 plus 5 plus 1. That is nothing but 16. Very good. This is very simple. This is the third rule. And now going to study rule number 4. When I is written on the left side, what happens we'll see. We have to subtract. Okay. Now see here. Left side. I have written on the left side. Here we will minus 1. Means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Fourth standard means this one. I, V. This is nothing but 4. And 10. We are writing I to the left side. So again we are going to subtract 1 from 10. So this is 9. Very good. And here one more. 10. See students what I am writing. Please concentrate on this. Here only you have to see IV. Okay. This first 10 you know. X means 10 you know. Plus I am doing because here IV. See above the first example IV is nothing but 4. Right. So I am adding this 4. This is 14. And one more. See again, this same thing here also, that is Ix. What is that? Up you can see in the second example, that is a 9. So it is 90. Okay, this is about the 4. Now remember, in these numerals there was no symbol for 0. Okay, and also the value of a symbol did not change with its place. Okay, remember this. And self study you have to do. Write 1 to 20 in Roman numerals. Same rules you have to follow, and you have to write 1 to 20 in Roman numerals. Please try. I am sure that you will write. You can write. Okay. Thank you, students, and stay home, stay safe.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.